So it's Thursday morning on Oneida Lake. This is the calm before the storm. Bad weather is likely to come today. Should be at its worst after 4, right up until about 9 o'clock. I'm not worried about it. If it rains, I'll fish. If there's thunder and lightning, I'll go back to the dock, which is right over there. In this boat, I get there really quick. So I'm just chilling. Last night I was here on the boat with 2 other people, and we got into fish, and it was absolute insanity. Chaos, I tell you. We caught so many fish. Here's some pictures of them. So I don't know how many pounds of fillets that is, but it's 10 or 15 pounds. And that's a couple different days worth of fishing for a number of people, so. But that's a lot of food. I'm taking it all home with me. Back to Pennsylvania, where I don't catch walleyes because I'm just not a walleye fisherman at home. Out here, the species of choice is walleye. There's a lot of fish in this lake. There's more walleye fishing than anything else. And the Fish Commission here says there's well over 1 million fish in this lake. Well, we didn't catch that many, but we caught a nice chunk of them. So sometimes I fish alone, and sometimes I fish with friends. Well, like I said, it was fun and it was chaos. Today I'm out here by myself, and I've been out here by myself several times this week. People are working, they're busy. I have friends here, but they can't always come fishing. So when I'm out here by myself, I find it ever so peaceful. I really like fishing by myself. I don't prefer it, I just like it. I'm sitting here, drinking my coffee, enjoying the world as God intended us to. And I'm listening to classical music. So I'm pretty chill today. I'm hoping later on there'll be some more chaos, but for now, this is great. I'm jigging with a jigging wrap. Drop to the bottom, you pull it up quick like that. You pull it up quick off the bottom, and they come and get it when it jumps off the bottom. That's a jigging wrap. And they're very popular on this lake. Well, they're very popular anywhere that people fish for walleyes. The temperature of the water is 76 degrees. There's a nice cool breeze. I'm drifting at 0.62 miles an hour, which is probably perfect for jigging. And everything is really good. Earlier I saw some fish jumping out there. Literally 2 fish jumped out of the water together like they were dancing. It's awesome. I'm sure they were bass. That thing is as big as my head. I'm going to keep that one. Put that thing in the floor underneath you. See that fish quick. Look at the size of him. Good Lord, he's huge. He's huge. Put him under there. Good job. Fish. There's fish under there. It's 20 feet away. I got a fish. I got a fish. Go steer. I got a fish. Look at that flag. Well, you've got mail. Oh, he's pulling hard too.
We got mail. Got one over here.
Oh shoot. Go ahead and do it, bud. Get it. Wow, we got 2 fish on. I have 2 fish on, but I only have 2 hands, so he's gonna have to, the fish might have got off. We just bring it in anyhow. Wow, it's like that fish is fighting. Oh my goodness, all 3 of us are on fish at once.
That's quite good. Well, yeah, Tony. He got off. I saw him. motor.
Which way? Which way? Which way do you want that motor turned? Tighten up the brake on there. Maybe I loosened it up too much. Did you tighten it, the star? I got a big fish on. Man alive.
Stop that motor if you want.
No, don't stop the boat. Come on, man, get it together. How messed up were we the other night? Yeah, he's not that big. It's a walleye though. I'm grateful for him. Boy, did he fight. This is not big enough to keep. He's stronger than you are. Tim is having trouble bringing in that fish for me. I'm gonna have to go help him. He might need CPR when he's done there. What a beautiful fish. He's about 12 inches long. Here, I got it. I got it. All right, here, I'll bring it. It's just a sunfish, I think.
Yeah, I don't know why it was freaking fighting so damn
Because
hard.
sunfish fight harder pound for pound than any other fish known to man. Hold on, don't bring that in. Don't bring that in. Don't bring that in. We got to see whose lure he's on. He's on mine, right? Did he eat both of them? Which one's yours? The purple one? Yeah, that's not it. How's your draw? You're perfect. That's exactly what you wanted to do where you are now. Stay that far away from it.
Something on fire over there.
Was that something or what? Yeah. This little fish fought to beat the band. He is beautiful. But we're going to toss him back. Beautiful fish. Thank you, buddy, for bringing that in for me.
No problem.
I got a fish. I'm putting it on, putting it out, and I got a fish. Oh, I got my brake stuck. I was putting it out. I didn't get it out, and I caught a fish. I could be mistaken, but boy, it sure felt like it. Unless you got into some weeds. You know, we could all do that together. It could happen to everybody at once.
0.2.
I didn't put this out very deep at all, so I can't imagine it was the bottom. Oh shoot, what happened here?
You're caught on your board right there?
That feels like a fish. Oh, it's just a little one. It's a nice perch. Oh, he's going home for dinner. That's a beautiful perch. They get a little bit bigger than this, but not a lot, huh? Wow, nice fish. I didn't even get my planer board and he was on. Way to go, Sam. We need to put water in there when there's a break in the action. Yeah, that's funny, yeah. There's gonna be no breaks happening. Okay, we're having trouble managing things because we're catching too many fish. This is good trouble. This is good trouble. There's another fish.
Oh, yours came off.
Here, let me bring it in.
Oh?
Yeah. Oh my goodness, you got a big one on for me, dude. No, it's just a little one. But it's a beauty. That's a nice fish. That might be a keeper. That's going to be real close. Oh, look at that. Where's the board? There's the board right there. We both caught a fish at the same time. Put the nose up to this.
14.
Hold on. You went too far over here. That's it.
14 and a half. Well, what is that?
15.
Is that 15?
It looks 15. Throw it back.
Throw it back?
Yeah. That was 14.
Man, we're right there, man.
That's how you fish, see? I hope everybody back home is watching our video and paying attention here. This is how Dan do it. Got another little throwback fishy. He's about 11 inches. Huh?
Yeah.
He's beautiful.
Yeah.
Good job. Look at the flag. Look at the flag. Yeah, that's a nice fish. I can feel him pulling really hard. Come on, fishy, fishy, fishy. Yeah, this feels like a nice one. Doesn't mean it is, but it's already a fun one. It's another walleye, and he's not quite a keeper. We have caught a bunch of walleyes. Tim's got one on. That's what I said, Tim. Oh my goodness! Let me grab the net for you, buddy.
This is a keeper.
Oh yeah. That's a nice fish. I think he's big enough to keep mine. Man alive. He's really tough. Of course, that's why God made pliers. That's why God made tools.
Right.
Okay, you want to get that off there? There's your fish, buddy. Look at you. His eyes are huge. Don't drop him.
Nope.
Maybe make sure he's big enough.
All right.
And then we'll throw him in that thing there. Yeah, he's 15.5 inches. I'm going to throw him in the bucket. Where's the boat going? Okay, watch out here, bud. Watch your foot, please. Sunfish, we're going to keep that one.
All right.
Here.
Just poke around out of there.
That's a nice big eater there. Got so much fish now to eat. Dennis is giving me all of his big catch that he had the other day.
Cool.
There you go. Yeah, let's look at that fish. That's huge. Now, that's not as big as that monster that's in the bucket.
No, I've seen bigger.
There's a huge one in there.
Yeah, I've seen bigger than this one. I mean.
Oh yeah.
For sure.
He's a dandy. Look at him. Way to go.
Circle.
We just started this troll, and there's a fish on that quick. Nice job, Tim. Oh, that's a keeper. That's a keeper. Measure him up for us, buddy. Measure him up for us. He's definitely a keeper. He's got to be 16 or 17 inches. Way to go, bud. He's 17 and a half
18.
inches. No, 18's right here.
Oh,
17 and a half.
17 and a half.
Nice.
Nice guy.
Way to go, brother. Throw him in the bucket.
What?
We got a bucket full of fish. We're in a very weedy area, so that flag keeps popping up. A couple times there's been huge fish. This doesn't feel like a fish. Yeah, look what. Yeah. Well, then that's more fish-like in behavior. That sounds fishy to me. Oh, there's a fish fighting real big time. I need a net. He is shaking his head. He's angry. Look at him. Ha, 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 ha.
Oh, that's a big one.
That's going to be a nice fish.
Oh, yeah. That's walleye. That's a keeper.
Yeah, we got a keeper here. Keeper and then some. Whoa, look at that fish. Yay, Sammy.
Good job.
Look at that beautiful fish.
That's a beauty.
Man, that's a monster.
Measure sticks behind you.
I'll get the measuring stick. You see how big he is? And he is 19 inches. Exactly 19 inches. That, my friends, is a nice Oneida Lake walleye. Are you watching the direction of the boat, guys? We're doing all right. This is perfect. Open it up for me there, bud. Folks, look at all the fish we have. These are really nice ones, too. We are doing good.
Let me get that.
You got
I got a double.
you're catching 2 fish at a time.
2 perch up there. Yeah, that's a big fatty perch.
Oh, yeah. You know what? I'm going to keep them all.
Oh, yeah. You want it.
That's a big daddy.
That's
Just
a
went
big
through
daddy.
A nice a school of them is what it was right there.
Yep. They were waiting for you. He's not very big, but I'm going to keep him anyhow. I eat so many of these.
Here, go ahead and
That's
pull
a
that
nice
out of
one.
there. How about a nice double perch right through the same school?
Hold them both up. Whose is this?
This is his pole.
Okay, hold it over there for a second. There you go. This is the other one.
There you go.
Yeah, we got some trophies there, baby. Who's your daddy now? Woo! These are all fish down here. Walleye sit on the bottom, perch sit on the bottom, and we're getting them like crazy. One after the other. What a day. So what if it rained? Everything's wet. We got soaked. But it's beautiful now. It's a beautiful Oneida Lake day. These mooks are going nuts out here.